Umentri Rangba Gajala Urat Sangma Hagasngi Ba Ulait Penkut Ya Kajing Rake Ya Gajubilik Siar Choka Nativity Higher Secondary School Habakren Hakanik Sngi Ulapan Bena Bak Sorkar Jala Kaladep Mang Tengka Ban Penhe Ya ke Surok Na Wailoi Samokurwan Hagajinglut Kaba Antat Chispa Arpok Lur Lengba Ka World Bank MITP 2 Road Project Hakaba Shen Tang Mariadep Ya ke DPR kan kot tenda sendon na ke bynta kanik Surok. Hagaju kapor Umentri Rangba ulapan benaru bak Sorkar Jela kala tray sistem hadu kata-kata ban kenti wiki kam jungok kai perthai kiba airu sibun ba kilat yok kam yok jam ya kisamla ba klem kam klem jam. Komjak Sorkar Jela kala itray lang ba kidor barsnong rengkat kitray kendau na ke bynta ban kenti wiki kam jungok kai perthai ha Southwest Khas Hills District.
I also would like to take this opportunity to share with all of you that we are putting a lot of stress on rural infrastructure in our state. I'm happy to announce that we will be taking up Veloy to Mokurwat Road under the World Bank MITP 2 project of approximately 120 plus crores of funds will be sanctioned. The estimates or the DPRs are being made, but the road for this will be now extended or rather expanded, and I'm happy to, as I said, announce this road. I hope that by early next year we should be able to tender it out. The funds have already been sanctioned, as you're aware. Only the DPR stage is left, and that's when we'll come to know the exact costing of the road. Apart from this major road connectivity that is required for Mokurwat, has been pending for a long time, I'm also happy to announce and inform all of you that we are pushing tourism like never before. We will be tendering out a small resort for development of tourism in Nongnah, amounting to 25 crores. The DPR has been made. The tendering should be taking place in about maybe a month's time, and hopefully the work will be awarded right after that. And I want to share with you that tourism has got a huge potential, not just in Southwest Khas Hills, but in our state as a whole. Another very important aspect of tourism which I would like to share is that the government has or is working towards involving the community. I'm thankful to the headmen, the Rangbashnong, and all the leaders and landowners who have participated and worked with us in Nongnah, that they have partnered with the state government. The land belongs to the community, and it will continue to belong to them. We will construct this resort and give it to professional people to run it. And whatever profit that comes out will be shared with the landowners. And hence, the locality and the village and the Dorbar out there will benefit hugely and immensely from this partnership. To give you an example, we have completed this process for Shillong Peak, where the landowners and the Dorbar out there partnered with us. The land belongs to them. Government is investing close to 150 crores to put up the ropeway up to Shillong Peak. And in return for the land that they have agreed to partner with the state, the government is giving them 1 crore annually, every year, to the Dorbar as a share of the profit that the ropeway will make. And that money has already started being given to the Dorbar out there. And that is a partnership with which we're working. The same model is being followed in Nongnah. We are also happy to announce that in Mawlangwir, where our monoliths are there, We are also sanctioning infrastructure for 5 crores has been sanctioned for that too. And I'm happy to announce that the DPRs are being made and the tender for that also will be done very, very soon. And similarly, in Jakrem also, we are keen to work with the society. We are still to finalize the land. I would like to take this opportunity to appeal to our local leaders and to the local headmen and the Dorbar. If we can work together, a beautiful model where we can share the revenue, develop tourism, and create economic livelihood and opportunity for the people can happen if we are able to conclude discussion. And I hope that we'll be able to finalize the details and the agreement for Jakrem also. And that is also something that we are really, really looking forward to. Hence, there is a huge push, as I said, towards tourism. And I personally believe that Southwest Khasi Hills can become one of the major destinations for tourism in the coming years. And that is the reason why we are investing on the infrastructure and also on the tourism circuits and the overall locations so that we can develop the infrastructure in those areas.